Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. You have been watching so many different videos of the chapter on profit and loss, and I hope you must be feeling more comfortable now and you must be saying to yourself, formulas are not that important when you are solving this topic. And most of the questions are understanding based. Once you start applying the concepts, once you start understanding what is going on in the question and the basics of profit and loss, the concepts are not at all difficult. Here I am with one more very important problems, and you will find this question everywhere in quantitative aptitude exams. Let's simplify this concept for you so that you can crack this question within 5 seconds time. Yes, 5 seconds. And using the traditional approach, you will be able to do that in how much time? Guess. 3 minutes. So look at the amount of time we can save using these short tricks. The concept is finding the cost price when profit percent is equal to the cost price. Like whatever profit percent is given, that is equal to the cost price. I'll show you some different types of questions and then you will feel more comfortable with the topic. This topic is a part of chapter number 2 of volume 2 of our book of short tricks, and the chapter is entitled Shortest Tricks for Profit and Loss. And the tricks which I have been posting here, they are a part of the ebook of short tricks. So if you want a copy of this ebook of short tricks at a very nominal cost on your email, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. All these details of our app, the Learning Loop app, and our website sureshaggarwal.in, they are contained in the description of this video as well. So let's start with the concept of the trick. Now before I discuss the concept of the trick and tell you what is the direct method you can apply to solve the questions, let me show you a question. Here is a previous year question which says, by selling a water bottle for rupees 39, so the sale price or the selling price is rupees 39, a shopkeeper got profit percent equal to the cost price. Now this statement will be there in all the questions, and this is the condition we are going to exploit. So profit percent is equal to the cost price of the bottle. Like if the profit percent is 25%, then the cost price is also 25. Like that is the exact meaning of the statement, and we have to find the cost price. So now you know the nature of the question. We are given a selling price and condition is profit percent is equal to cost price, and we have to find the cost price. Now I'll go back to the concept of the trick. So there is a selling price which is given to you, say X, and he says the profit percent is equal to the cost price, and we are asked to find the cost price. This is the nature of the question. Now what do you do in the trick? The selling price is given to us, right? So X is given to us. We will split X into two factors. Like suppose you have 40. 40 is written as 5 times 8. That's one way you can split it into two factors. Although there are many other ways also, 10 into 4, likewise 20 into 2. There are so many ways. But there is a condition. These two factors which we obtain or find out, they have to differ by 10. Like suppose you have the number, let's say you can take any number like 119. Now if I split 119 into its factors, it is 17 and 7. And 17 into 7, the two factors 17 and 7, they differ by 10. That's what I mean by differ by 10. Now when you take these two factors, find these two factors and take the smaller one. The smaller one is 7 here. If you suffix a 0 with that or multiply that by 10, you are going to get the final answer for the question. The cost price will be the smaller factor suffixed by a 0. That means whatever number you obtain here, just put a 0, you will get the cost price of the item. Surprised? Let's apply it to solve some questions. Here you can see the selling price is what? Rupees 39. And 39 can be split as 13 times 3. That's the only way you can split it, because 39 is a product of two primes, right? Now the smaller one is 3 here, and therefore the answer for the question will be, the cost price will be 3 suffixed by a 0. That means rupees 30 will be the cost price of the item. Now you can check, friends, and this is not going to be wrong. So how much time are you going to take to crack this question? It is only the time you require to find out these two factors. That's it. After that, it is no pen and paper kind of trick. Let's see another one. Here the selling price is 75. Now 75 means, see, this can be written as 25 times 3 also, but 25 and 3, they do not differ by 10. So we have to find some other factors like 15 and 5. 15 times 5, how much is that? 75, right? The smaller factor is 5. So the cost price of the water bottle will be 5 and a 0. So rupees 50 will be your answer. See, only these two factors, those are the two factors which we require. Let's see some more questions here. Here we have another water bottle which is sold for SP is rupees 96, and 96 is pretty easy. I know 16 times 6 because 16 and 6 differ by 10, and the product is 96, right? And so the cost price of the water bottle will be the smaller number followed by a 0. That's the answer. See, hardly 2 seconds, 3 seconds, maximum 5 seconds which are required to crack the question. Likewise, 144. So if the selling price is rupees 144, this is 18 times 8. 18 times 8 is exactly 144. So what is the cost price? The cost price will be the smaller number 8 followed by a 0, and 80 rupees is the answer for the question. Wonderful, right? Mathematics is full of such amazing tricks. You skip steps and you get to a short trick. And that is the actual beauty of mathematics. If you are smart, you will skip the steps and you know what to do to get to the answer for cracking the multiple choice questions in the exam. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in such concepts, because mathematics is wonderful. You start understanding and you start performing. So pick up the link of this video, share it with all your friends who are struggling in this concept, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Take a while to click the bell shaped icon. Now this is important for getting all the notifications of the future uploads on your mobile. You need to click the bell shaped icon. So friends, practice at least 10 questions of this type. It will take you only 2 or 3 minutes, and let me know in the description and comments below, is it working for you? All the best.